Okay, I'm gonna show you a quick trick here with your propane burner. And I've had this problem happen all the time. So you see I got my fire is on. So I'm gonna turn it up. And it may not do it right now, but what happened, the flame go out. You see how the flame is? At the bottom, if you look at the bottom of it, it'll go out on you. And if you keep going out on you, only thing you need to do, and I'm gonna show you, just get some tissue or some tape, and you cover up these vent holes. Just put some paper in these vent holes. You're gonna see how the flame adjust it. You just cover those vent holes up. If you got some duct tape, it'll even work better. Now you see the flame, and it won't go out. What happened, too much air is venting under it. And you can come over here and you can adjust it. You want to increase it this way. You see how your flame's stable? So you just cover those vents and you can vent it like you want. Sliding it back. See that? Watch. Gonna let more air in. And adjust it. The only thing you need to do is just put some duct tape right over those vents. That'll work for you. So give that a try. And if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Like I said, the only thing's happening is it's sucking too much air. See that? Take this one out. It's sucking too much air. Usually this thing could turn, but it's not designed for that. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching Welding and Stuff.